Hey guys, welcome back with another study video. Guys, in this video, we will discuss if you're facing a problem that your Cash App has been closed. So, if your account has been closed, now how can you fix it? So, there are 3 to 4 ways to fix the problem. The first step is, guys, you may just log in your Cash App account, and after this, you may require your verification through your identity. So, you may verify your identity so through social security number or any other documents, and then, guys, your account will be reopened or you can get back your account. The second method is, guys, you may open any website and you may open Cash App website from here, and you may contact to Cash App support through website, and you may check your problem will be fixed. The third method is, guys, you may write email to Cash App support team on support@cash.app, and you may tell them your problem and your info, your email, phone number, and your cash tag, and you may check your problem will be fixed. The last method is, guys, you may open any other Cash App account, and then you may click here on your profile icon of that Cash App account. So click here, and here is the option of support. So click here and contact to Cash App support team and tell them your problem. So click here on chat, and you may chat with Cash App support team, and Cash App support team will fix your problem and they will help you out to recover your account. So by all these methods, guys, you can fix it very easily. So this is the video, guys. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.